all well. So, it's another product naman na ating i-review. Household product na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo in removing stains, lalo na sa mga cookware nyo. So, I ordered this online. This is Over and Cookware Cleaner. So, makikita nyo sa Shopee, sa Lazada. And then, usually yung prices niya ay di naman gaano kamahal. Pero merong mga iba talaga na ganito din ang kulay. Ganito din siya yung box niya. Ay mahal, nasa 500. But this one, I bought for less than 100 pesos. So, fake or not, I just want to try kung bibili ba kayo sa Shopee, worth it ba o hindi. Or gumagana ba siya. So, actually, it's in Korean writing, nabasa nga siya eh. So, Korean writing siya, pero before making this video, so nag-research na ako how to use this product. So, just gently rub onto the surface using damp cloth or sponge. So, wipe with a clean cloth towel after. So, for scratches and stain, you can use stainless steel cleaner. Tapos, apply on the area. Tapos, yun, syempre, i-rub natin siya. And then, aside from your cookware, pwede mo din siyang magamit sa any stainless object nyo, like sa faucet, sa sink nyo. So, it remove watermarks, smudges, tsaka yung mga stains, mga rastra. So, let's try and see if this thing works. So, ayan yung kanyang itsura. It's really a face. Tapos, I'm gonna use using my old sponge. So, medyo damp naman siya. First, ilagyan lang natin sa face. And then, ito guys, oh, dito siya. Tapos sabi, i-wrap lang daw. Uy! Naka-joke to ah. Kahit konti man lang difference. I think I'm gonna need the stainless steel on this kasi napaka-tough na niya. Or let's use the other side. Ito yung medyo. So I take a picture before using the product para makita natin kung may pagbabago o wala. Part na to is this one is actually stainless. Yung part na to na pinunasan ko natanggal naman. But around this area, I don't expect na talagang makikinis siya kasi it's not stainless, it's coated. Maybe this one may chance pa na matanggal ng face, pero here wala nang chance. But let us try dito sa stainless part na to. Dito kasi na area natanggal siya. So, dito naman tayo. Now, after several minutes ng pagkusko, so titigilan ko na siya. So, actually, there's difference naman. As you can see, Ayan, medyo kita-kita na dito area. So, dito ako nag-focus. Dito, kahit anong tanggal ko, ay hindi talaga siya natanggal. Focus ko, hindi siya talaga natanggal kasi di naman siya steel. Steel siya, pero coated siya. But, in this area na steel, ayan, nakita nyo ba? So, kita na yung name niya. So, I have here an old pot na stainless talaga. So, i-try natin dito kung kuminis man lang ng konti. Ayan siya. Now, it's a little damp. Sinugasan ko siya. Medyo mahapde pag may may sugat sa. Kung meron kayong gloves, mag-gloves kayo. So, try natin dito. Ilang minutong puskos, ay eto na siya. Yan, kita-kita na yung kanya. So, dito, as you can compare dun sa unang video, ayan. If I have a steel brush, siguro mas matatanggal pa to dito sa area na to. But it does work. So, worth it naman siya sa price niya na less than 100. So, meron ka pa nga makikita na 50 pesos, 99 pesos. So, you can check it out sa Shopee or Lazada. So, this is not sponsored kasi I don't know the brand. So, it just says Over and Cookware Cleaner. Meron pala variety. So, yun yung name niya. And then, yung kanina, look what happened, no? Medyo nag-light din yung kanyang color. Although, very stubborn na talaga yung kasi mga old, old cookware na to. This one talaga tagal na. And look at this. Natanggal naman siya. So, definitely, it's a good buy. And yan po, I hope that nakatulong ako. So, some of you are really doubt na or skeptical na bumili sa online, lalo na pag medyo mura kasi baka hindi siya gumagana. But this one is actually gumagana man siya, kaso lang you need to have an effort in scrubbing it. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. I hope na meron kayong natutunan. And then, I hope na nakatulong ako in your skeptic mind to buy products from online, which is way cheaper than malls. And I think this product is actually working. So, nakita niyo naman. And less than 100, you can have a helper para pag-clean sa inyong mga cookware, sa inyong stainless. Actually, you can use this in faucet, sink, yung sa mga something na may metal and stainless. So, you can use this paste. Make sure to wash it. So, ayun guys. And please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share sa mga friends nyo. And you can also support my humble channel by joining in my channel. There's a button na join down below. So, I highly appreciate it if you do support my channel. Thank you and stay safe. God bless you all.